Pack light. Overpacking can clutter your car.
Bring only one bag and make sure to put all the essentials in it. Bring snacks like chips and chocolate in case you get munchies on the road.
Bring your reusable water bottle and coffee tumbler to minimize your waste. A maintenance checkup is a must.
The last thing you want is car trouble while on the road.
Ladies and gents, take your car to any Shell Helix Oil Change Plus, Shell Service Center, or any Shell Helix accredited workshop.
And of course, don't forget to fill your tank, check your air pressure, water, and don't forget to check if your oil needs to be changed.
When getting your oil checked, ask to see your dipstick to assess if you really need an oil change or not. If you do, use only Shell Helix Ultra with Pure Plus technology.
When you use a high-quality synthetic oil like Shell Helix Ultra,
your car will stay in great shape for a really long time. Lastly, study your route.
And of course, don't forget to bring a bestie.